I've been so lazy today. I wanted to make a video, but I don't know what about. So I think I'm gonna go outside. uh, just go explore somewhere, and I'll take videos while I do it. I just wanted to show you my work schedule today because it's the Chinese New Year and I teach Chinese students online. It's a holiday and I had literally one student today, and I was probably pretty lucky to get that many. One. She was really cute. She taught me to say Happy New Year in Chinese, and I already forgot it, and I'm sure I did it terribly, but she seemed very entertained. Anyway, so day off, it's just me and the kitty. Yeah. So, okay. Stop with nowhere to go. Bye-bye, Mishka. I'm going on an adventure. Can you see? The kitty. Okay, sorry, I won't do that again. We went one stop and I saw this giant secondhand shop, and I love secondhand shops. This is my jam. I don't know why I said that, but I got on the tram going in the direction that I never go, so I didn't even know this was only a minute and a half tram ride away from me. So I'm gonna go in, and maybe I'll get back on the tram and go farther after this, but I have to go into this. Look, it's huge. Are all scarves. Oh my god. Chinkies. Well, I must be about the most broke person on the planet because I just didn't buy a really cute 100-pound sweater that I could wear at work because that's too much, and that's like $4, and it's ridiculously cheap, and I'm still like, could have been cheaper. They charge by the kilogram here, so I think depending on what you're buying, it could be a really good deal. It could be more than you want to pay for something used. I think if I weren't so desperately broke right now, I would have gotten it because it's really cute. But, oh well, at least it's a big store. It's really big in there. It's quite awesome. Yeah, okay, continuing the adventure. If anyone is interested in coming here, that's the tram stop, Nadrisi Vysocany, and there's the Vysochanska, there it is, B-line metro stop, so it's really easy to get here. Well, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm here at Hloubetin. I think that's I know how I'm supposed to say it, but it's hard for me to get out. Hloubetin, which is way out in the eastern outskirts of Prague. Fortunately, it's right on a metro station, so I can just hop on it and get right back to my area really quick. There's not a lot out here. You know, I didn't think about this ahead of time. It was kind of a spontaneous idea of, oh, let's get on a tram and explore, but I'm cold and I'm hungry and I have no money and there's food at home, and I see a bookstore, several casinos, several gallantry, which is like clothing shop, but I'm not sure what they are actually. They're like random household goods. I thought they would be cheaper, but when I've gone into them, they're not cheap at all, so at least not the ones I've been into. They're not thrift stores. I know that much. A bakery. Pekarství Bohemia, Kavarna, Bagtery. So that's Bakery Bohemia, Cafe, and I don't know why I just stopped filming or if I was even filming. Okay, well my phone battery just died, and so I have my camera with me, but I can't see myself, so I never know if I'm doing a good job or not. But I think I'm gonna go explore the bookstore and then go home and call that an adventure. What? Yeah, okay. So all the way up there is Niholva, which means bookstore. Nihovna. It looks kind of closed. I'll go check it out anyway. Patek closed last Friday. And I just realized Nihovna means library, because this is a city library of Prague. Oh, it looks so nice. I wonder if they have any English books. Probably not. The last one I went into didn't have any. Some of them downtown do, though. But libraries are always nice to visit. One thing they do have here is this crazy cool statue. Oh yeah. What? Now that's what I'm talking. 50 cents a piece.
Děkujem.
10 no.
Nashledanou.